Hello, you're watching ERi-TV English News Broadcast live from our headquarters in Asmara. I'm Ham Berkhat. Let's first look at the top stories that are making headlines today. One patient has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and this is carried out today. Election of area administrators in Al-Raza subzone. Illegal refining of crude worsening air pollution and causing respiratory problems on residents in Nigeria. Syrian air defenses shot down Israeli missiles. One patient has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and this is carried out today at testing stations in Adika, Central Region. On the other hand, 8 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the Central Region have recovered fully and have been discharged from these facilities. Sadly, 84-year-old patient from the Central Region has passed away due to the pandemic. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 9,411, while the number of deaths has risen to 102. The total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 9,652. Ministry of Health, Asmara, 9 February 2022. Election of area administrators, managing directors, as well as village coordinators has been conducted in 22 administrative areas of Al-Raza subzone. At the elections conducted from 16 to 26 January, 42 area administrators and managing directors and 318 village coordinators were elected. The report further stated that the objective of the elections was to replace outgoing area administrators, managing directors, and village coordinators, and that out of 11 newly elected areas administrators, 3 are females. The Regional Service Control Branch in Gashbarka region organized a seminar to farmers in Dega and Arde subzones on the proper utilization of pesticides. According to report, the seminar that was conducted from 4 to 5 February mainly focused on the prevention side effects and pollution caused by improper utilization of pesticides on human, plants, and the environment. Mr. Abraharley Haile Mikael, head of Plant Resources Control Unit, stated that the objective of the seminar is to encourage farmers to exercise proper use of pesticides, thereby ensuring supply of quality products. He further called on the farmers to utilize concerted pest prevention measures instead of regularly applying pesticides and practically apply professional advices. Reminding farmers to apply proper preservation and utilization of anti-pesticide drugs, Mr. Hadish Garameskal, chemical control expert, on his part called on farmers to consult agriculture professionals before using any pesticides. Farmers, on their part, expressed conviction that will practically apply the knowledge they have gained and called for sustainability of similar seminars. We will be back with international news. Stay tuned. Illegal refining of crude worsening air pollution and causing respiratory problems on residents in Nigeria. Nigerian civil servant and mother of 4 has been having chest pains lately, and when she sneezes, black stains appear. She and other residents blame this on illegal makeshift oil refineries scattered across the Niger Delta. Local authorities have started a crackdown to try put a stop to illegal refining of stolen crude, a process known locally, which officials say is worsening air pollution in the Delta and causing respiratory problems from some residents. High unemployment in the Niger Delta has made illegal crude refining an attractive business. It involves illegal tapping of crude from a maze of pipelines owned by oil majors and burning it at a high temperature in makeshift tanks. Syrian air defenses on Wednesday shot down a number of Israeli aggression missiles around Damascus, the capital state, TV said. State television also reported earlier that Syrian air defenses confronted hostile targets over Damascus. There was no immediate information on damage or casualties. Rocket warning sirens sounded in the northern Israel on Wednesday, the Israeli military said. The warning sounded at about the same time as the reports from Syria. Before we close for today's news, let's have a recap of the headlines tonight. One patient has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19. This is carried out today. Election of area administrators in Areza subzone. Illegal refining of crude worsening air pollution and causing respiratory problems on residents in Nigeria. Syrian air defenses shot down Israeli missiles. That was all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.